So today I'll be talking about OCD. This is obsessive compulsive disorder. You must have heard about this term very often, and it is related to the obsessive behavior, that is the tormenting thoughts which a patient is troubled by. So these thoughts are related to the fear of contamination, could be related to the fear of imperfection. So to counteract these feelings or to counteract these thoughts, the patient gets into a compulsive behavior of constantly cleaning, or you can say constantly checking upon things whether that they have been done in a perfect manner. It also includes thoughts related to, say, morality, or there could be thoughts related to violence, and the patient is constantly upon, trying to control these thoughts, and to combat this, they get into a compulsive behavior. Many a times there is a typical type of a behavior that they adopt to keep away these thoughts. So it could be, if I perform this, if I check upon these things, say, 7 number of times, then I'm sure that this thing would be done properly. Or, they perform certain sort of rituals, or you can say some sort of religious functions or religious rituals to keep away from these thoughts. So a patient's mind is completely occupied, and this leads to the disruption of the normal life. First and foremost, we need to diagnose the problem. Once you realize that this you suffer or a patient is having OCD, then the line of treatment could be, counseling sessions. Then if the patient benefits from them, well and good, or otherwise we have therapeutics. You can choose your therapeutics in a wise manner, because these thoughts take time to go away, and because the origin of OCD is linked to the genetic. It could be of a genetic origin, or could be neurobiological origin, or also could be because of the disturbing environment or things that they have seen during their childhood, or they have witnessed some sort of disturbance which leads to, or is, it's like a trigger. So this is all about OCD. So once we diagnose, the treatment should be done so as to avoid any sort of severe anxiety or panic related problems associated with OCD.